How to install a Facebook pixel on a Mailchimp landing page. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to have a Facebook pixel and also how you can create a landing page on Mailchimp and how you can install it. And it is going to be also a very simple step and also an easy step. You can go ahead and head over Mailchimp, sign in for an account, and then you're going to head over the dashboard of it. So something like that. Normally you're going to have something resembling this. Now, as you can see on the dashboard, we are going to head over create. So basically we're going to have here a landing page. So we can have here maybe a sign up landing page. It is going to be only set up for standard landing page, sign up landing pages, and etc. So we're going to have the choice of a landing page. We're going to put for it a name like here Jack landing pixel, for example, and we're going to have the audience selected as it is. Then we're going to click on begin. In the meanwhile, we are going to head over Facebook. And after we have head over Facebook, what we're going to do from here is basically to head over the page or the Facebook page that we have created. So the in order to have a Facebook pixel, you need at least a page. So you're going to visit that page, as you can see, just like that. And from that page, we're going to switch to it. Click on switch just like that, and wait for the switching. And after that, we're going to visit the Meta Business Suite. These are going to be steps that are going to be obliged for you, or a must be steps to set up the things. Now, as you can see in here, we're going to have the Meta Business Suite. We're going to head over the tools. So we are going to click on all tools from the left side of the screen. Make sure that we have selected the same page that we are going to work on. Click on here, and then we're going to have everything. So everything that you need to manage a page or create an ad, a commerce section, whatever. But in here, we're going to head over the event manager. As you can see, it is going to be for my case as a recently used element. You can go ahead and select it from here, or you can go ahead and have the event manager selected just from here and there. So we are going to have the advertise. You need to head over the advertise, as you can see, category, and we can go ahead and see the event manager. It is going to be basically taking us to another page. We're going to open up that page. Now, in the meanwhile, I'm going to switch up to the specific landing page that we have set up. So you need to put everything together. Now, we're going to select a template that we can go ahead and put into the page. For example, here we have not so many templates, but we have only the sufficient amount that we need. For example, we have this lead generation. We are going to select it, and most of these, as you can see, landing pages are going to be a sign up page. So it is not going to be something new or something that does matter a lot for creating here the category of the specific landing page. Now let's head over here and start designing the page that we have. So the first thing that you're going to face is going to be basically in here the logo. So you can go ahead and have your logo installed or added just like that. You can have here some boxed text, some dividers. As you can see to the left side of the screen, or the right side, I mean, here we have the blocks and also the styles. You can control the styles by modifying them, customizing them, or personalizing them. For the blocks, also, it is going to be a system. As you can see, this is, I think, the classic, let's say, builder or the editor. You can go and have the same experience with the new editor. So it is going to be a matter of a drag and drop of a block, and then you can go ahead and modify whatever you want from the elements that you have in here. So for example, you can go ahead and have, as you can see here, the content. Let's head over here. So in order to add the pixel in this landing page, you need to make some movement. Like here, it is going to be with this style a boring landing page, and nothing is going to have here to be registered in the pixel. So we need, for example, to add maybe some products. I'm going to add a block of product. So you can go ahead and connect your specific store of Shopify. Then you can go ahead and use maybe your best sellers, whatever you have in there. And as like that, you have made maybe some of the movement right here and there. So I'm going to delete that, delete this also. I can go ahead and have the items. I can add some standard items, maybe like that. This one, let's see here. This is suitable. It is going to be well at least set up. So you can go ahead and have maybe this. Let's see. This is looking a little bit better. So this is the first thing. You can change the styles and also the settings. So you can go ahead and have the background color changed, the rounded corners, just like that. Something fancy, a little bit like that. This is going to be suitable. Here we have the settings. You can go ahead and put the layout. I prefer setting up the layout just like that. The width is going to not matter a lot. So we're going to head over the content again. Custom description. I'm not going to give a custom description, but you can go ahead and have the product page or the link for the product page itself. Now I'm going to click on save and close. I can go ahead and add maybe a video to have here some other movements, and you can go ahead and put the video URL from YouTube. Doesn't matter a lot. And here we have images and texts. Share button, follow on social media. You can go ahead and add the social media buttons in here. So these are going to be crucial for the movement. And I think that we can go ahead and drag and drop the email into here. So I can have the email added just like that. And I am going to have here to add a text or maybe a box text. So first I'm going to have a divider. Now, what I am going to do, I'm going to add maybe a box text in here under the divider. And we are going to have to put here subscribe for more amazing products and exclusive content. For example, content exclusive, exclusive, like that. So I'm going to select all of this, make it a little bit bold. So the font, or I'm going to put it as not heading one, but heading two. Let's see, not like that. Heading three. This is better. Now I'm going to change the style of this to the background, which is going to be a maybe a light background, just like that. Or I can go ahead and have the orange one since we have a theme orange, and we're going to put the point just like that. I'm going to have here the as you can see the email and everything. So that is something that is pleasant for me in my case, and I can go ahead and share it with other ones. So here we have it like that. You can go ahead and add whatever you want. So it is going to be a little bit having some movements, like some more pictures like that, image group, image cards like this. So you can go ahead and add an image card here and there. So I'm going to add here an image, upload an image or add whatever you want from here. And at the end, we're going to click on save. After this is completely done and we have modified the style and everything, we can go ahead and exit this specific or click on save and close and exit this page. So at the end, we're going to see that we have the resume of the landing page, like the page title and the site icon. You can go ahead and modify it from here. Also, we can have here the social share preview, the URL. We can edit the URL, the audience and tags also, and the content, which is going to be the design. Now, the most important part here to have the specific tracking of the pixel is going to be in here. So settings and tracking. You're not tracking with Mailchimp, tracking Metapixel, and etc. So we are going to click on edit, and then usually if you not see these fields are going to be ticked, you can go ahead and accept the terms and conditions in here. Click on accept, and then you are going to have here all of the tracking data that we have. So we are going to take the track with Metapixel. We are going to need the Metapixel ID. So that is the role of the event manager. So you can go ahead and head over here. You can click on connect data and create another pixel if you want. Or if you have some data sources, as you can see in here, and we have some pixels, as you can see that I have a lot of pixels. So I can go ahead and head over any pixel that I want or an active pixel. And then I can go ahead and fusion the data that we have. For example, this is enabled into my Shopify store, and that Shopify store it is connected to my Mailchimp account. So we are going basically to have the pixel or the ID of the pixel, which is going to be this number ID. We are going to copy it and head over the Mailchimp, paste it just like this, and click on save. So as you can see, we have the tracking with metapixel is ticked. So that means that every movement that has been set in around on the specific pixel or the landing page is going to be tracked on the event manager. Now, let's say that we have the page or the landing page ready from the beginning. How we can find it? You're going to head over the home. And from the home, we're going to head over the campaigns. Click on all campaigns. And you can go ahead and filter the type of the campaigns to only landing pages. You're going to see the landing page that we have. Click on it. And then you're going to see everything from here and there. Scroll down, click on edit on the settings and tracking, and then you're going to put your pixel or tracking with metapixel just like that and put the pixel ID. So as you can see here, we have a lot of pixel IDs, so you can go ahead and add whatever suits you will. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.